in the casting, and as you can see, we'll continue from here. Right here.
All right, welcome to Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway right here in Eleko Junction, and to my left right hand here is where we are going to Eleko Junction, and to my right hand here is where we are going down to Dangote Refinery's Lekki Deep Sea Port on this way, and to my right hand here is where we have the proposed Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway, both the right and the left. So I'm going to go on a mega tour right now, and if you are ready to journey with me, I'd like you to stick to the end of this video, and please like, share and comment on this video. So we are going inside. Since the day of the commencement of the Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway, work has never stopped in this route. So I want to take you on a mega tour round the Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway right here in Eleko Junction. So if you want to own a property within this environment, you shouldn't sleep on this. Remember, any property you own along the coastal highway is an investment, and it's also a transgenerational wealth. I like you to stick to the end of the Lagos-calaba as I go around the Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway. So this one is coming from Victoria Island. So I like you to stay to the end as we go around right now. The Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway. Remember, my name is Adisa Adewale, and this is what we do on this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Few months if you are ready with me, come on. Let's never cease to stop in this mega project that is changing the face of Lagos, that is changing the face of real estate in Lagos. So I'm going to show you. I'd like you to watch the drone view of the extreme end. So I'll be doing section by section because it takes me a lot of time to get to extreme end of the Lagos-calaba Coastal Highway. I think there is massive progress so far in this project, and I want to say once again, congratulations to Nigeria, congratulations to the Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and congratulations to Lagos State, and congratulations to our amiable governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu Baba, our governor, the governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Sanwo-Olu, for this progress, for this good news that is happening in his own lifetime. I'd like you to enjoy the rest of the video as I